Folks, BigH, put on this handy dandy work gloves. We're gonna detach this trailer and pick up a loaded trailer. All right, so I already shut off the brake, pull the brake out, the red brake, the trailer brake. Next thing I'm gonna do is unhook the lines, electrical, it's your e-brake, it's your service line. Come under here. See, pull this lever out. Where am I? There we go. Pull this guy out. Over to the right. Dolly down. Now on this one, they want 2 load locks. I already know where my trailer is. We're also going to make a video on hooking up to a loaded trailer. All right, it hit the ground. The arm back. Just gonna walk the trailer real quick. They didn't say anything about leaving the door open, so I'm not, but I just want to check the back. I want to make sure if it's locked, take it off. It's nice and clean. Those are rust marks. Cleaned it out. And we got a fuel tank. We got a full tank of reefer fuel. Always bring back your trailers clean and full of fuel. As you can see, full. All right. Now my next step in the process is my handy dandy cardboard, because it did snow, as you can see in the other video. So my truck, which was once clean, is now dirty. Alright, let's crank her up. Okay, I'm gonna push in both brakes, trailer. Actually, I don't have to do that because there's nothing hooked up. And I'm gonna dump my bags. That's the switch right here on the Peterbilt. Dumping my bags, put it in drive. We're gonna pull away from the trailer. Let it come, let the air out, letting it drop. This way it's a smooth transition. Bingo. Now I also have drone footage of me backing in to this spot. Tandem's all the way back. All right, I shall return. All right, folks, we're gonna back into that trailer 180-159. This is picking up a loaded trailer. Alright, so first thing I'm going to do, I always do, is come under here with my flashlight, make sure the locking jaws are around the kingpin. And as you can see, they are. Okay, great. Now come back over here, shut my light off. Look up my emergency line. Sorry about the wind, folks. It's windy. My electrical line. Sorry about the mess here. My service brake. I put a new glad hand seal on my service brake the other day because it was worn out. Always give it a little love tap. All right, you want to make sure it's secure. Secure. I'm going to go in here. I'm going to air up the trailer by pushing in the tractor, the trailer, or the red brake. Push it in. It's going to start airing it up. Now on this load, I also need 2 load locks. But let's first raise the dollies. Again, slowly in. Ooh, this is a garbage. We destroyed that. We got snow. Now you hear it. You hear the air. All right. Now I'm checking to make sure my tire's good. There's nothing hanging that's low on the ground. Everything looks good from where I'm sitting. Let's open her up and see what we got. All right. So I gotta put 2 load locks in. All right, folks. That's it. That's how you hook up to a loaded trailer. But I'm just curious to see what the weight is. So let's see what the weight is on my drives. See the salt. Had some heavy snow squalls this morning. All right, so we're at 37,000 pounds. So by sliding the tandems to me or forward, that's going to help alleviate. But the good news is they got a scale down here. So I'll make the necessary adjustment. All right, folks, till later. Have a good day. BigH Trucking. Please like and subscribe.